Hello friends, today I will show you how to find and replace the text in multiple files in directories and subdirectories on Windows 10. So first of all, open your browser and search for Notepad++. So you need to go to this site, click on latest version. So you need to find your 32-bit or 64. For that you need to open or you need to right click on this, go to system. Otherwise you can go to settings and system. Here you will find system type 64-bit. So mine is 64-bit. I am going to download 64-bit installer. Click on this. I am going to keep in downloaders. Opening it. Selecting language. Agree. Next. Next. Install. And after installing which you want to replace, you need to open first one file. Here you see I have three text files and one subdirectory in that one text file. So first one, opening one text file to show I have same, that's my name Chaitanya. I'm going to replace with other name. So first of all you need to right click on this and here you will find edit with notepad. Click on edit with notepad. Then you need to click on search and then find in files. So for first finding you need to type the word. First you need to mention the directory so which you want to. So already I'm just created the test folder in desktop. So I'm selected test. So next I'm going to find all. It will show all the file contains is the word. So you can see Sai Chaitanya. So first now I'm going to again find in files. Now I'm replacing with something. So let me type something. Let me type subscribe. Replace with that and replace in all files. After clicking this, it is asking are you sure? Just press OK. So you can see it is replaced with 4 words. Let me open you and show you. Here you can see subscribe Chaitanya, subscribe Chaitanya. All the text files has been changed and subdirectory also changed. You can see. That's it friends for this video. If you have any doubts, comment below. I will give link of the Notepad++ in description also. You can download from there also. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.